Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through a full, easy, step-by-step guide on how to send money from Robinhood to Palmpay wallet. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So to get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Robinhood, first thing to do is to verify eligibility for crypto transfer. So to do this, you have to ensure that your Robinhood account has the crypto transfer features enabled. These require your identity verification, which is to complete the necessary identity verification process, and also enable your set up your two-factor authentication for added security. Then after that, here's a key important note. Note that enabling crypto transfer may take some time for Robinhood to review and approve your account. Then once that is done, then you have to obtain your Palmpay wallet address. Then open your Palmpay wallet application on your mobile. Then ensure that your wallet is set up to the correct network corresponding to the cryptocurrency you intend to transfer. So if it is Solana for SOL, or if it is Ethereum for ETH, and if it is Polygon for Matic, then once that is decided, then click on the receive button to display your unique wallet address for the selected cryptocurrency. Then here's a key important note. Ensure that all cryptocurrency selected match the one you plan to send from Robinhood to avoid potential loss of funds. Very important. And once that is confirmed, then you have to initiate the transfer from the Robinhood app. So open your Robinhood app and log into your account using your account credentials. Then tap on the crypto icon at the bottom of the screen. Then select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer, for example, Matrix, ETH, or Solana. Then tap on send. Then enter the amount you wish to send. Then paste the Palmpay wallet address you obtained earlier. Then review all transaction details carefully. Then confirm and submit the transfer. And that's how you can simply send money from Robinhood to Palmpay wallet. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.